completely honest, I am tired. I'm tired of this quarantine. I'm tired of just all of it. Have I been putting a lot of effort into my look this quarantine? No. A few days ago, I took off my lash extensions, so I feel like my lashes left with the extensions. So basically, that's what's going on up here. I've been doing my own nails. You know when you need like that new fresh set, you know what I mean? So like, I think what I'm gonna do is just take off my nails and basically just do them again. My hair has been in a bun. I don't really know why I'm breaking out on my cheeks because I typically don't break out on my cheeks. I need to do some skincare and I feel like I just need a full transformation. So this is gonna be my quarantine glow up transformation. If you like videos like this, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up and let's get started. This is kind of a weird angle, but I'm like sitting on the floor right now, and so basically, don't ask. First I have to take these off because they're old. I've had them on for a while. I just kind of put like gel on top and it's not really like looking that good. So I'm testing out a new way to take off the nails, and so first I'm just gonna clip them just to start the process of taking them off. With my nail drill, I'm just gonna take off like a little bit of the acrylic, not too much. I also have this 100% acetone. I have this piece of tin foil. I'm gonna take a strip, one little square, soak the cotton ball, like saturate the cotton ball, and then put it on the finger. Wrap it. I'm not gonna be able to use my phone or anything, so I'm probably just gonna have to like watch TV for like 10 or 15 minutes, and hopefully by then everything's good. All right, so my nails have been on. My nails. Okay, so right now I'm stuck with like these hairy freaking nails, which is literally not what we're going for. I'm gonna use this tool and see if I could just scrape it off. So these are my nails. I finally took everything off and I just basically kept slowly filing it away with the nail file and just putting the tinfoil back on and then filing again. I am actually really tired right now and I probably shouldn't be doing my nails. It's literally 12 a.m. So I have all my supplies here for the nails that I'm about to do. Don't mind my dirty paper towel. This is literally the only paper towel that I have, and it's from the last time that I did my nails. I can't find any paper towels anywhere because quarantine. This is my inspo. So I'm just about done. I'm just buffing my nails real quick, and then I'm going to apply top coat. I have my little tool that picks up rhinestones. I'm gonna use this like little plastic bag. This is like so bootleg. A little bit. I'm gonna put it on the nail, and then I'm gonna take a rhinestone and just boop. No, like, hold on, wait a sec. You telling me, are you telling me that I did this? All right, so now that that's done and I finally have finished my nails, I need to focus on this. I styled my hair, I wanna say a week ago, and I wore it out for like 3 or 4 days, but after that, it just kind of starts going up And I've also been doing like finger massages in my hair, so it kind of gets tangled. On the plus side, my hair is definitely very much growing during this quarantine. I'm out of the shower and I've decided to put this like hair growth mask into my hair. This one is from the brand Vita Hair Growth. I found it on Instagram. All right, so I'm applying this all over. I have the mask in, so I'm just going to insulate it with a shower cap. Then I'm gonna take this towel. I just got this actually, and it's super cute. It's like cheetah or leopard print. So it's on pretty tight, pretty good, which is just gonna like insulate everything to really let the mask work. My skin though, even though like from a distance, I feel like my skin looks pretty clear, but my skin has been breaking out. I need to do something. I'm gonna quickly exfoliate my face. This is a Clinique exfoliating scrub. I'm using this Fresh Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. I think that's about good. Now that the mask is on, next on the to-do list, laser hair removal. Okay, not really laser hair removal, but this is a device. I think it's an IPL, if I'm not mistaken. I have been getting laser since like 2017, 2018. It's a lie that they tell you it'll be 6 to 8 times and then your hair never grows back. That's not the case. Since I haven't been able to go, my hair's growing back. Then there's these buttons that pop up, and you want to press this to be able to increase the intensity. So I do it on like about 4. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna rinse this off my face. My skin feels super, super refreshed. I say, babe, what we gonna do? And you'll say, we'll have a cake and eat it too. I'm putting just some lotion on my face. Regardless, moisturize your neck, because it's like when you start getting older, that's one of the telltale signs is the neck kind of dropping. I just stepped outside just for a sec, just because I haven't been outside in like 2 days. Actually, fresh air, you feel me? And so I'm probably just gonna let this sit on my hair for like a good 2 to 3 hours, just to really just like. I have rinsed out the mask and I've decided to put a wig on. Now, I hope that I can put it on good. Am I a professional? No. And I'm gonna use a little bit of my Kinky Curly Knot today, just to have each section be moisturized. I'm using a little bit of this Silk Elements Mega Silk Extra Strengthening Edge Control. Wow, my hair was so hard to braid with these freaking nails. I feel like overall they look pretty good. My hair is pretty flat. I'm gonna use this elastic band just to tie the braids down. This is what I have so far, and I'm just gonna take this and basically wrap it into a bun. And these are the braids. Okay, I got my little beanie on because I am protecting my braids. I'm trying to get them like flatter, and so this is like a satin lined cap. And I'm super excited because I splurged at Sephora and I got a bunch of new stuff. I got this palette from Anastasia. It's brand new, like it literally has the plastic on it. And so I'm kind of late to the party with this one. This is a Soft Glam palette. I also got a bunch of new beauty blenders. I have to get the purple beauty blender. Like, I also got 2 gloss bombs from Fenty. I definitely want to wear this one today. I also got this Marc Jacobs bronzer. Hopefully it's not too dark, and a bunch of lashes and all that good stuff. But for real though, like, how are you guys feeling with this quarantine? I feel like my life was really headed in a positive direction right before all this happened. And the fact that all this has happened, I don't know, I just feel like really unmotivated and just really tired of it all. But I know that we actually need to listen and we actually really need to stay inside. Somebody from my hometown that my mom knew, that was really close to, he just passed from it. And you know, I don't really know him, but it's just sad because it's like there's people, real people, moms and dads that are passing from this. Like, it's not just old people, it's not just elderly. So I'm gonna use like a darker shade on the outside of my brow, just to kind of like blend in with the wig I'm gonna put on. I don't know, all I'm saying is that it's hard times right now, and if you're feeling unmotivated like me, that's totally normal. It's not like everybody has to be productive right now, especially when there's only so much you can do right now. It's hard to find that inner self motivation, you know? I'm trying to fill in my eyebrows, but I'm trying to figure out, like, I haven't filled them in a while, so I kind of feel like off my game. Hopefully I can make magic happen, because right now it's just not. Trying to create more of like an elongated eye shape, and so I'm just kind of focusing everything on the outer edge, and I'm trying to blend it outwards. And now it's wig time. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down because I just don't really know if I want to do that right now. We'll see. So I have my wig. Okay. I finesse this wig as much as possible. This is what we're working with, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I tried to glue it, it's just not working for me. So we just gonna work with what we got. I've already cut this wig, and so I glued it before, and I'm still learning like how to really glue down wigs and like fix wigs that have already been glued down previously and they're not like brand new. Like reusing wigs, I guess. But ooh, I'm just adding some pretty wand curls in. And this is the final transformation. I feel like a new person. I'm about to take advantage of me being all glammed up. I'm about to go get some cute pictures. I filmed this video a little bit differently, kind of more like vlog style. I did this all on my other camera, so let me know if you guys like this type of video style. If you liked videos like this, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.